Okay, let's move on to the final task, task 4, policy for traffic coming from the internet. Okay, R2 is the border router. It connects the local area network to the internet. So we're going to design and implement a policy to filter the internet traffic. Okay, so what's the policy? Okay, the policy states that outside hosts are allowed to establish a web session with the internal web server on port 80 only. Okay, that means your company web server. Okay, you allow the internet users, that means users on the net, to connect to your company web server, but they can only connect using port 80. Okay, so they are only allowed to access port 80 on your company web server. Okay, so we are going to use a name and standard access control list. So IP, again IP access list extended. Okay, the name is called firewall. Okay, web again is TCP protocol. So TCP from outside host. Okay, remember. Okay, the internet users can come from any IP address. So the source IP address is any. Okay, the internet user can come from any IP address. Okay, so the source is here. Destination is your company web server, host and company web server IP address. Okay, and they can only connect, the internet users can only connect to your company web server using port 80 only. So equal www. Okay, next, established TCP sessions are allowed from the internet into the wide area network. Okay, this means that users from the internet, traffic from the internet can come into your local area network provided is initiated from inside and it's an established connection coming back. Okay, let's look at the topology diagram to explain this. Okay, let's clear the ink and okay. This means that someone from outside, from the internet, if he try to come in on his own, this kind of traffic should not be allowed unless it's going into the company web server using port 80. Okay, then you allow. If you try to come in on its own and try to go any place into your local area network, this should not be allowed because this could be a hacker trying to come in and disturb your server or PC. Okay, but if it's initiated from inside, that means let's say, for example, let's say PC2. He go out and go to the internet and let's say he access Facebook web server. Okay, when he access the Facebook web server, Facebook will reply a traffic back. Okay, will reply some packet back with his, let's say, his own home page, the Facebook homepage of PC2, the user at PC2. Okay, this kind of traffic will be allowed because it was initiated from your own network and it's a return traffic coming back. So this kind of traffic we allow. But if Facebook or some other PC or server try to enter into your network on its own, it should be blocked. Okay, only for traffic going to your company web server, from to port 80. Okay, again, this kind of traffic that is initiated from inside and return traffic coming back, these are called established traffic, established from inside and coming back. Okay, so this kind of traffic are allowed. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so this means that we are going to permit a TCP traffic that's from the internet, so from any going back to your own network. So your own network is also any IP address. You can't specify a particular IP address, so it's coming in from any. Okay, and the keyword here is saying established. Okay, if it's an established connection, that means if it's a return traffic, you will allow it to come into your local area network. Okay, and the third rule says that ping replies are also allowed. Okay, this is only for TCP packets. The second rule is only for TCP packet. If, let's say, going back here, PC2 do a ping, an echo request to some server, and the echo reply come back. These are ICMP packets. These are not TCP packets. So the second rule cannot take care of ICMP packet. You only take care of TCP packet. So if PC2 or any of your PC in your local area network try to ping send an echo request to outside and the reply come back, you should also allow. So you are going to permit ICMP from the internet to your local area network, from any to any reply packet to come in. Okay, and finally, you are going to deny all other packets. Okay, this is a firewall. It's supposed to only allow specific packets from the internet going into your network. All other packets we should block. Okay, this is a security best practice. Okay, so you're going to deny all packets from any to any. Okay, where to implement this? Okay, the source are all from the internet. So if you look at the topology here again, the source are all from the internet. So the closest router will be R2 and the closest interface will be 0010, and the traffic is going into 0010. Okay, so R2 01010 and going in. Okay, so this will implement for the policy at R2. So after you implement this ACL on R2, you should get this result. Okay, so this will conclude lab 8. Okay, so I'll see you all next week. Bye.